Are you with rising global temperatures and energy efficiency becoming a priority? The demand for reliable air conditioner compressors has never been higher. Whether you're cooling your space, replacing a car AC unit, or running pneumatic tools, having the right compressor makes all the difference. In this guide, we evaluate the best air conditioner compressors based on efficiency, noise levels, build quality, compatibility, and overall value, helping you make the smartest purchase in 2025. List number: Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner, 2025, upgraded, full DC inverter compressor. If you're looking for a powerful, energy-efficient cooling solution, the 2025 upgraded Dual Hose Portable AC is a standout. It boasts a full DC inverter compressor, delivering an exceptional 13.6 CEER rating for energy savings. The dual hose setup enhances airflow and cooling performance, while the low noise output of just 45 decibels makes it ideal for bedrooms and home offices. Unlike traditional portable AC, the inverter technology adapts to room conditions, offering faster and quieter cooling. It's easy to install, and the digital controls and remote make operation a breeze. Whether you're in a studio apartment or a small office, this unit provides year-round comfort with impressive portability. List 2. Quiet Air Compressor. 68 decibels, 5-gallon steel tank, oil-free, 2.8 CFM at 90 psi. Designed for woodworking, nailing, and garage use, this quiet air compressor strikes a solid balance between performance and peace. Running at only 68 decibels, it's one of the quietest in its class. The 5-gallon steel tank provides enough air for light to medium tasks, and the oil-free pump reduces maintenance. Delivering 2.8 CFM at 90 psi, it's capable of handling brad nailers, inflators, and light painting tools. The compact and rugged design also makes it portable and garage-friendly. This isn't a traditional air conditioner compressor, but for anyone needing clean, reliable compressed air indoors without the noise, this is a smart buy. List number: AC compressor for Chevy Silverado, Suburban, Tahoe, Yukon, 2000 to 2013, CO29002C. This direct-fit AC compressor is a lifesaver for Chevrolet and GMC vehicle owners from 2000 to 2013. Compatible with popular models like the Silverado, Tahoe, and Yukon XL, this unit is a reliable aftermarket replacement for the OEM part, CO29002C. It features robust construction, comes pre-filled with oil, and is ready for installation. Performance-wise, users report rapid cooling and quiet operation, restoring factory-like air conditioning. If your vehicle's AC system is failing or producing warm air, this cost-effective option brings it back to life with minimal fuss. Ensure compatibility before purchase and you're good to go. List number: UAC CO 29002C AC Compressor. Gray, a trusted name in aftermarket AC components, UAC's CO 29002C compressor is widely recognized for its OEM-level reliability and affordability. Designed to meet or exceed original specifications, this compressor is compatible with a broad range of GM vehicles. It comes tested and inspected for performance and durability, making it a go-to choice for mechanics and DIYers. The gray housing is durable and rust-resistant, and installation is typically straightforward. While it doesn't come with clutch or oil included, it's a great base unit if you already have components from a previous setup. List number 5. A Premium AC Compressor with Clutch for Honda Civic 1.8-liter 2006 to 2011. Honda Civic owners rejoice. The A Premium AC Compressor is a perfect drop-in solution for models from 2006 to 2011 with 1.8-liter engines. It comes complete with clutch, saving you time and money. Built to meet or exceed OEM specs, it ensures optimal performance and long-term durability. The compressor is easy to install and significantly improves cabin cooling almost instantly after installation. It's ideal for anyone looking to restore factory-like AC performance without the dealership price. Plus, it's compatible with multiple OEM reference numbers like 3880 RNA A01 and 3880 RNB A02.